That is absolutely fantastic.
Well, it's only part of it. We got a big climatic scene.
But how could you top it?
Well, we set the place on fire, and we have our audience trapped down in this flaming city.
How can they get out then?
Well, now you got...
You'll one day see a Skyliner going around or across the Seven Seas Lagoon. On a recent visit to the Magic Kingdom, I came to a realization. After having visited Hollywood Studios, EPCOT, Animal Kingdom, and the Magic Kingdom, I realized that getting to the Magic Kingdom is quite frankly a pain in the ass. Unless you have the luxury of staying at a monorail line resort like the Grand Floridian, Polynesian, or Contemporary, it's really pretty miserable. You drive through the gates of the Magic Kingdom, park in a far-off land probably named after a Disney villain, board a tram, disembark said tram, wait in line to board the equivalent of the Staten Island Ferry, or if you're lucky you get a spot on the monorail, but be prepared to be crammed in with strollers and princess dresses. The issue comes from the original plan for Walt Disney World. This place was never meant to be a theme park resort of 4 theme parks and 2 water parks, and countless hotels. The Magic Kingdom was set to be the money machine to fund the experimental prototype Community of Tomorrow. Of course, that never happened, Disney deciding they're in the theme park business as opposed to the city planning business, and they started expanding. EPCOT, the theme park, gets connected to the monorail, but everything else starts to spread out with Hollywood Studios, as a growth out of EPCOT and the Animal Kingdom off on its own. Instead of the Ticket and Transportation Center being at the center of it all, no pun intended, it's now completely unnecessary. Each park has its own ticket booths, parking, and transportation gateways. The TTC served its purpose and is now a relic of the past. Disney even admits this when they moved their own bus depot to the very front of the Magic Kingdom, with their own bus fleet dropping guests off at the front door of the park starting in 2013. They have a solution that finally dawned on me when I was there recently, and I have no doubt the same solution has dawned on the geniuses at Imagineering, the Skyliner. The Skyliner would eliminate the unnecessary boat and monorail ride that makes the Magic Kingdom a commute. The gondolas could shuttle guests across the lake, around the lake, I don't really know, never stop moving, just as they move people between EPCOT and Hollywood Studios. They never stop moving, have the ability to accommodate guests with disabilities, and guests seem to generally love them. You get a great view up in the air, and it's a really fun time. The line either would follow the existing monorail loop, or go straight across, with intersects at the multiple man-made islands in the middle of the lagoon. While they're at it, they may very well connect the long, isolated Wilderness Lodge to the rest of the circuit. I truly do think we'll see this innovation in the next decade. An argument can be made about ruining sightlines, but if the new Polynesian Tower says anything, Disney couldn't care less about sightlines these days. The monorail would stay, the ferry would become an afterthought, and the commute time would be cut in half. Disney, please steal this idea. I'll be back with more content soon. I just wanted to make this quick fun video to say thank you for watching the archive of everything. Thanks for 4,000 subscribers, and as always, I'll see you all real soon.